Firstly, add your clips into Capcut. Tap animation and add fade out animation to all the clips at 0.3 seconds. Set the first clip to around 0.5 seconds. Now we have the fade animation. Next, tap overlay and import a white background. Rotate it 90 degrees and fit it to screen. Split and delete the excess parts. Tap blend and select overlay. On the white overlay, tap animation and select fade out. Copy the white overlay on all the clips and adjust it. Now see the results. Let's reduce the fade out animation of the first clip. Finally, tap Effects. In Video Effects, select Halo Blur. Set the speed to 100 and intensity to 30. Reduce the length to fit the clip and copy it on all other clips. Let's see the final results. Thank you so much for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.